interface. This is login page. Write correct username and password to get home page. As you can see, this home screen contains all the options we can explore. Like in company, you can see we can add company name, logo, save, update, delete. These are some companies already saved. Now we are going to create new company. Click on save button to add company in database. You can see we get instantly updated data. You can also update previous records. Also, you can search that. If you want to delete, you can also click on delete button. Now, record is permanently deleted from the database. Similarly, we have class type, cities along with their code and name. Adding a new city. Similarly, we have airport data. Deleting sums and creating new one. Now you can see we have cities, new cities. You can also create new airports. You have to give airport name and city code. You can see it instantly updated in your database and showing in your table. Now you can also manage flights. Before that, we can see available flights. We already selected. Now click on that. We can get the record of flights in this page. We can reset to write new things. Now we are creating a new flight from new departure airport. We already created a while ago. There are also validation checks, so we can't save wrong or incorrect data. choose the classes provided by flight along with the price and total seats. If you don't want, you can also remove that selected class and save the flight record and check in flight record page. We can see we can customize search here according to the company. We can also manage refund amounts according to the days. That is also used in percentage. That is also in percentage. Now we can manage taxes that each flight will have. We can add new customers. You can book new flight ticket by giving a traveling date, departure airport, arrival airport, and you can see we have a flight. You can also select the class. Now provide the personal detail of the customer. You can get that from here, Aadhaar card number. Again selecting these options. On search we can get the name and phone number of customer. We can book seat and total fare, tax, total price will automatically get calculated. Booking is done successfully. You can get the printout of this ticket. Everything is mentioned here along with the taxes included. Now you can also cancel or view tickets, view bookings. As our last booking was 19, we can search this. We can also search by Aadhaar card number. We can again get the ticket. If you want to cancel ticket, you can cancel that. You can get the refunded amount, 50% of actual amount. You can see booked and cancelled flights here. You can change the password of user. If something is wrong, you will be notified with these validation checks. Now you can click logout. You can also change themes by just clicking on that option. We have three themes in total: green, blue and pink. Now you can log out and again log in with new username or password. You can also check for employee. Employee will have comparatively less options than admin, but everything that shows on page will be working. Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to run and set up this airline ticket booking system by following these steps. Firstly, extract this zip folder that contains project. Choose any folder to extract the folder. It will take some time. Now this is our project that contains all files and folders along with database. Now firstly we are going to set the project in PyCharm. For that, follow these steps. Now we are opening PyCharm. Now select the project and open here. After opening the project, we will get to see all files and folders. Firstly, we have to remove this venv folder. Without this, we can't run our project. So create the venv folder by selecting setting menu, then project, then select the Python interpreter, click on new, OK, then again click on OK. Now your new virtual environment is created. But still, we require some modules to install first. These are the modules we require to set up this project. Now click on terminal. As you can see, we already having some errors on PyMySQL as this module is not installed yet. Now after selecting command prompt, write down the install command, that is pip install, and name of the module, that is PyMySQL. Then install others. Now we have installed all the modules. We can execute this, but for that we have to set up the database. To set database, follow these steps. Open XAMPP. Click on start button in front of Apache, then start in front of MySQL, then click on admin. Here you have to create a new database of same name that you have given SQL file. Select the name, copy the name of SQL file and create new database of that name. Now import that SQL file. Now choose that SQL file, open and click on import button. Now your database is ready. Now you can execute your project by selecting run option. As you can see, this is the interface.